Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn how to install and set up WordPress. So we will go to wordpress.org. Here we can see get WordPress button. Now we can see download WordPress 5.3.2 button here. Now after clicking on it, the download has been started of latest version. Now we will have to put this zip file in htdocs folder in our computer. So we will go to our htdocs folder, and now we will put it in this folder. And after putting this, we will extract it here. After extracting, we can see the folder name as a WordPress. Now we can rename it in our way, like demo WordPress. Okay, for installation we need a database. So we will create the database name as demo_WordPress. Okay, the database has been created. Now we will run our folder as localhost/demo WordPress, which we will create. Now we can see setup configuration and select the language. After pressing continue, we can see that we have to fill up below information, which will create WP configuration file. Here we can see database name which we have created. Now we have to put the username, root, and leave the password blank. We can see database host and table prefix as WP. Now after submitting it, we can see run the installation button. We will click on it. And we can see the information which we have to fill up in our way. We can give site title as demo WordPress. We can fill a username, admin. Now we can give a password, admin, and confirm. We have to give a email, so we can give an email, and now click on install WordPress. So we can see here WordPress has been installed, and now we have to log in. So we can click on log in here, and now we have to put our username and password which we have created, admin as a username and admin as a password. And now log in. Okay, now after logging in, we will go to our WordPress dashboard, and it's all done. We can customize our theme here, we can put plugin, and it's our WordPress dashboard. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.